This is an 8-volt, up to 30,000 revolutions. It is a rotary Dremel type tool for all your work, welding, cutting, woodworking, engraving, and more. It is cordless, indoor, outdoor, for the hobby, doing anything you can imagine. Let's open up this bad boy and show you what the NRT 1210 is all about. To give you an idea of what we get, 20 cut-off wheels, 8 fiberglass reinforced out-off wheel, and more. Comes nicely packaged. You have a small container where all your parts and material are stored. You can see your wheels, your buffers, your attachments, and more. The tool has a memory where you left off, from the highest speed to the lowest speed. We have a USB-A to USB-C charger. It plugs into the unit. Located on the bottom of the unit, plug into your port charger. We have a nylon carrying case for your rotary tool and a user's guide to read up about how to operate. On the unit, we have a speed control, negative and positive, and the amount of battery, a locking mechanism, and the on and off switch that slides forward, and speed adjustment. Place your tools, do your adjustments, and so forth. We'll give some demonstrations on how this unit works. This is a great tool for your toolkit, portable indeed. With the supplied tool, we're going to attach one of the cutters. Holding the locking mechanism and loosening up the bolt, placing in the cutter and wheel, holding and using the supplied wrench to lock down. We're going to cut a little piece of metal to show you how the tool works. The tool has a memory of where you left off. This is one of the many uses of the rotary tool. It is an excellent tool to cut, drill, carve, engrave, and more. Check online for further details about the product, an online manual about the cutoffs, sanders, polishers, and more of each of the tools. This is a 2000 milliamp battery that takes 3 hours to charge that could give you many hours of runtime. The new Master takes 3 hours to fully charge, as increments of levels of the battery. It takes a 2000 milliamp battery. In the booklet, we'll tell you about all the parts and materials that this unit comes with. It'll tell you the cutoffs, the sanders, the polishers, and more. There's many uses for this tool for your hobby, for your work. I hope you enjoy this tool if this is the right one for you.